I found it. I got my ride or die, I got my down bitch. She the only one I fuck with. Only girl that I really keep it a buck with. In the bed, she freaky but good in public. My down bitch, she the one I fell in love with.
What up, YouTube? You guys haven't seen us in a long time, but we're at a farm. Yes, we are. We're at a petty farm right now. Petting, whatever, farm. We're at a farm. We have the pigs. We have EO. We took EO to go see. We took EO to go see the pig more. But there's the babe, how you call that? The goat we gotta feed, baby. So yeah, right now we got Lucille in the cut, and then we got Babe right here.
You chose the wrong day to come.
So yeah, cause EO's shivering. So right here is the animals, the pigs. Lucille mad. I cannot bring you. You like it? That's a rooster. Say a rooster. Lucille, I swear to God. Parce où est mon blanc pas de regarder.
That's that nigga.
Look. Fried chicken. Look at him. Why are you thinking about frying that damn chicken?
Big and healthy.
Yo, that's so funny.
So as you guys can see, we're ghetto as fuck. Look at the rabbits, EO. Thanks. Yeah, so much windows. Yeah, boo boo. EO, let's go pumpkin picking. Okay? It's coming.
It's coming back. Hey.
Hello, Goody Goody. Hey. EO. Everybody is out of it except for me, EO, and that's about it. Everybody else is out of it. So yeah, like we said, we at the farm in New Jersey. We're no longer in New York City. We're in New Jersey. It's different here. But yeah, boo boo, you could go. Look, the steps is over there. We're taking our little baby EO to the farm because we love him and he wanted to see animal. So now he's gonna go up all by himself. I'm gonna show you guys. EO, wave to the camera, baby. Say hi. So he's going up. And you gonna meet Dada right here? No, everything is wet. Oh no. Oh no, boo boo. He's so cute. Zoom in. What is she doing? What did she do? Be careful. Stupid. So this is what's going on. Babe, you wanna talk to them? So how you gonna get that doodle off before you go to the car?
I'm going in the car with the doodle.
No, you're not.
It's fucked up.
No, you're not.
It's my car.
Stop.
If I want doodle in my car,
No, you don't.
it's gonna be some doodle in my car.
No, you don't. Be careful his shirt. He's 3 and some change. Wow. You that tall, boo boo? Come on, come put your face. You, Dada, and Lucille. I'm holding the camera, so you guys not gonna see much from my face. Come on, you guys.
Yo, you know everybody's place right here?
Oh yes, boo. I don't know why I got the goat, the animal food. Like I'm gonna be eating it. Apple. He want the apple. That's what he said. What you said, EO? Oh, of course they got no car. We could go to get your cars. on the weekdays.
Yeah, let's in the vlog. We're gonna get this moment. Oh my God. You don't have no way.
Look at him. Yeah, Lucille, believe it, Lucille. Oh, Ish. Okay, stop, babe.
Wait.
Go.
Drive away, bro.
Go. Yeah. It's open. It's open.
Oh my God.
It's open. Even laughing. Well, basically, yeah, we're gonna go home now. We try to do apple picking, but it's a complete failure just because the apple picking is in the.
This Tesla right here.
I don't see.
Tesla.
No, it's not.
That is the Tesla.
That?
Yes.
Okay, that's a lie. So basically, we try to do apple picking. There was no apple picking, except for my baby EO, but it's alright.
This nigga don't know how to fucking check shit.
I told you guys it was pumpkin picking today.
Double check and confirm.
But he's seen the animals.
Said we're gonna see horse.
I thought they had
We gotta go
horse.
to the Bronx Zoo on Wednesday.
All we
Okay,
seen was
Wednesday.
goat.
But I thought they had the animals and everything out, but they didn't have it out. So anyways, if to recommend this place, I wouldn't really recommend it. But then it was free and it was something, you know, fun for little babies,
It was like
which is only meant for little babies. So the adult that's complaining should just stop complaining.
I didn't want to go in the first place.
But anyways, EO had fun. He seen the animals.
Oh my God.
He got to pet
A goat.
a sheep. I thought they was gonna have sheep. They didn't even have sheep. Goat and a pig, and he got to feed the pig because you know pigs are greedy. So yeah, and then now we all gonna go. He was a begging. He kept coming back for food. Oh my goodness. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, so now we're about to go back. We got physical therapy, and then what else? And then that's about it. We need to go to Walmart, which there's gonna be a video about it, but we need Walmart. And since we're in New Jersey, we should take the opportunity to go to Walmart. But we don't have money right now, so to come in. Okay. Ooh, I like this filter better. So yeah, basically that's what's happening right now. But we are trying to get home, and I'm about to show you guys the road. And yeah, we had fun. You had fun, babe? Okay. There you go. That's your answer. You had fun, Lucille?
No.
Oh my God. Oh, you had fun? Yeah. You seen the animals? Yeah.
Why you always take so long to call me? No, I gotta wake up in the morning. You know every second adds up to a minute. Need 10,000